Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have the best tutorial for all of you, how to create a slow DNS server and set it up on AGN Injector VPN for fast and secure browsing. If you're looking for hidden VPN tricks, make sure to check out our blog for more insights. Before we dive into the tutorial, if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to stay updated with our latest tips and tricks. Body. Let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and in the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit enter. In the search results, find the official UDP Custom website and click on it. This is where we'll be creating our slow DNS server. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, you'll see a menu button typically located in the top corner. Click on it to see a list of options. From there, select Slow DNS Server. This option allows you to create a slow DNS server. Next, you'll be directed to the server location selection page. Choose your preferred server location, which will optimize your connection speed. After that, you'll be taken to the account creation page. Now, enter your username and complete the CAPTCHA. Once done, click Create Now. Within seconds, your server details will be generated. Make sure to take note of these details or copy them for the next step. Moving on to setting up your slow DNS server on the AGN Injector app. First, ensure that you have the latest version of AGN Injector installed. If you don't, head over to the Play Store, search for AGN Injector, and download it. Once the app is installed, open it and you'll be on the app's home screen. Here, check the box next to Slow DNS. After that, click the hamburger icon in the upper left corner to expand the menu list. Click on Slow DNS Settings to open a new page where you will paste the server details you created earlier. Now, paste the public key, server name or host, Google DNS, and the username and password of the slow DNS server, respectively. Once all the data is added correctly, return to the app's homepage. Finally, click the Start button to connect to the fast and secure web connection. And there you have it. We successfully created and connected a slow DNS server on the AGN Injector app. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.